Rocky Point, or as some call it, Arizona's beach, is open for business after being closed to tourism for 3 months. The mayor of Rocky Point telling ABC 15 they're ready for Arizona visitors. However, some residents believe it's still too soon. ABC 15's Nick Saletti explains why.
Get checked before you come. I mean, we don't need any viruses here.
David Aguirre moved to Rocky Point from Arizona a year ago. He says he has mixed feelings about reopening the city to tourism.
We don't have the capacity if we were to have a whole bunch of people at the emergency room.
David has diabetes. His health condition makes him more vulnerable to the virus. And although he understands the city must open, he says he worries about opening to Arizonans when the state faces one of the worst spikes of COVID-19 cases in the country.
There's people saying, how come you're letting tourists back into Rocky Point because Arizona has a large outbreak? I don't presume that people that's sick is going to come on a vacation.
And if you decide to visit and are asymptomatic, Rocky Point Mayor Kiko Monroe says their mandatory safety measures will stop you from entering the city.
I have a thermal camera to detect it.
Rocky Point has set up a checkpoint, a sanitation tunnel, and all visitors will need to get their temperatures checked from inside their vehicle.
If you have an abnormality detected by the thermal camera on your body temperature, then you'll be asked to get a second screening.
If you continue showing an abnormal temperature, you will be asked to take a rapid COVID-19 test.
If you're willing to take it and the test comes out that's positive, then you'll be asked to return to your hometown.
If you make it past the checkpoint, be ready to follow stricter guidelines than Arizona. A 10 p.m. curfew, bars and nightclubs closed.
Because they generate large groups of people.
You're also required to social distance and wear a face mask in public places. And the beach isn't completely open.
You can use the federal zone concession area for the hotels and resorts, but not going into the actual ocean water.
Not your traditional beach vacation.
However, we are determined that this is a vacation that's safe and healthy for you.
As of today, Puerto Peñasco reports only 13 confirmed cases and 1 death due to the virus. In Phoenix, Nick Saletti, ABC 15, Arizona.